In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check message history in Discord. If you need to find an older conversation, revisit an important message, or locate a link that was shared in Discord, there are a few simple ways to check your message history. Whether you prefer browsing through previous messages manually or using Discord's built-in search tools, both methods make it easy to find the information you're looking for. Let's walk through each option so you can choose the one that works best for your situation. To get started, open Discord and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the application, navigate to the server or direct message where you want to review your message history. This step is important because Discord only displays the history for the channel or conversation you're currently viewing. Before searching, make sure you've opened the correct chat. The first method is the basic scroll method. This is the easiest way to browse through previous conversations naturally. Click anywhere inside the chat area to make sure the conversation is active. Then use your mouse wheel, trackpad, or the scroll bar to move upward through the messages. As you continue scrolling, Discord will automatically load older messages, allowing you to move back through the conversation over time. This method works well when you're reviewing recent discussions or reading through a message thread from earlier in the day or week. If you're looking for something specific, the search feature is a much faster option. At the top right corner of Discord, click the search bar. Enter a keyword, a username, or part of a message that you remember, then press enter. Discord will search through the available message history and display results that match your search terms. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of messages, you can quickly jump to the information you need. When the search results appear, simply click on the message you're interested in. Discord will automatically take you directly to that point in the conversation, making it easy to view the surrounding messages for additional context. For even more precise results, you can use Discord's search filters. These filters allow you to narrow your search by username, channel, date, or message content. They're especially useful in large servers or channels with extensive message histories. For example, if you remember who sent the message, filter your search by that person's username. If you remember a unique phrase or topic, searching for those specific words can help you locate the message much more quickly. Using unique keywords instead of common words often produces cleaner, more accurate search results and saves you time. That's all there is to it. You now know how to check message history in Discord using manual scrolling, the built-in search feature, and advanced search filters. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,